So welcome back guys to another video in Scratch programming language. Today we are doing cat and mouse game. So this is a great beginners tutorial who never used Scratch before. This is for a recommend. Please see this tutorial to learn this game very easily. Before I get started, please subscribe my channel and yes, don't forget to like, comment and share. So let's start. First of all, we delete our old sprite. Now take a new sprite. Click choose sprite from library. Select a mouse from animal group and click OK. Now it's coding time. Click on the mouse sprite, go to events block and select when click. Now go to control block and select forever. Then go to motion block and select point towards mouse pointer and select move 10 step and change it to 8 steps. Now a small part of our program is ready. Click on the green flag to run it. Look, the mouse is running towards the mouse pointer. Now it wants that its tail and looks are moving when it's running. For that we go to events block and select when clicked. Now go to the control block and select forever. After that select next costume from looks block and again go to control block. Select wait for 1 second and change it to 0.1 second. Now check it. Look, the mouse is like really running. Okay, now it's time to take our cat sprite. Click choose sprite from library. Select a mouse from animal group and click OK. Now coding should be on cat sprite. At first create a new costume for the cat. When the cat is running behind the mouse, it's look like really running. For that we create a duplicate copy of this sprite. Now select it and turn it to the opposite side. Now look, the cat is like moving. Now coding should be on cat sprite. Go to events block and select when clicked. Now go to control block and select forever. Then go to motion block, select move 10 steps and change it to 3 steps and select point towards mouse pointer and change it to be mouse because cat is running behind the mouse. Now another part of small program is ready. Click on the green flag to run it. Yes, it's working. Look, the cat is running behind the mouse. But when running the both sprite, mouse is moving its tail and leg, but cat don't. For that we go to events block and select when clicked. Now go to control block and select forever. After that select next costume from looks block and again go to control block, select wait for 1 second and change it to 0.1 second. Now check it. Look, the mouse and cat both are moving its tail and legs and is like really running. Okay, now we are talking a sprite like mouse food. Click choose sprite from library. Select a food type sprite and click OK. Now coding should be on food sprite. Go to events block and select when clicked. Now go to control block and select forever. And also select until the mouse pointer. Go to sensing block and select touching mouse pointer and change it to mouse sprite. Go to looks block and select height. That's when the mouse is touching the food, it's look like the mouse is eating the food. After that go to the control block and select for 1 second. Again go to the looks block and now select show. Also place a show button to the top. For when it's running, it's always show on the screen. Let's check it. Yes, it's working. Look, the food is appear on the screen and when the mouse is touching it, it's hide. But look, it's appear at the same place again and again. Now we want it's appear here and there. For that, we are coding a small program on the food sprite. Go to the motion block and select go to X and Y. Now go to the operators block and select pick random 1 to 10 and it change for X 200 to minus 200. and again select pick random, change it for y 150 to minus 150. It will appear the food here and there randomly around the screen. Let's check it. Look, the food is appear randomly here and there around the screen. When the mouse is touching the food, it's hide and again appear after 1 second. It's like the mouse is eating the food. But how many times the mouse is eating the food? For that, we want a scoreboard on the screen. To do this, click on the data block and make a variable. Type a variable name like score and click on OK. Now select change by score 1 to add score on the screen. Let's check it. Yes, it's working. Look, when the mouse is touching the food, our scoreboard is increasing. But there is a problem. When you stop play and again start the game, the scoreboard is not clearing. In this case, we have created a small coding. Go to events block and select when clicked. Then go to the data block and select set score to 0. Now check it. Look, our scoreboard is increasing. Now stop it and again start. See, our scoreboard is always starting with 0. Now you can make this game more challenging. For that, like when the mouse is eating the food, the scoreboard is increasing by 1 point. And when the cat catching the mouse, the scoreboard is decreasing by 1 point. Now coding should be like this. Go to control block, select if then. Now go to sensing block, select touching mouse pointer and change it to mouse. Now go to data block and select set score by 1 and change it to -1. Now check it. When the mouse is eating the food, scoreboard is increasing. But when the cat catching the mouse, the scoreboard is decreasing. Now we are trying to add sound on the cat sprite. When the cat is catching the mouse, it sounds like mews. Now go to script tab, select play sound from sound block and wait 1 second for control block. Now we are trying to adding sound on mouse sprite. When the mouse is eating the food, it sounds like pop. Now go to script tab, select if then from the control block and select touching mouse pointer from the sensing block. Change it to be food and at last select play sound from the sound block. Now let's check it. Click on the green flag to run it. Look, when the cat is touching the mouse, it sounds like mew and the other sound like pop. Now full program is ready to play the game. But we are adding a beautiful background to look the game more attractive. For that, go to new backdrop. Select a backdrop as per your choice and click OK. Now finally, the game is ready to play. That's it from this video. Let's enjoy.